As we speak, sensex is just up close to about 30 points. Few minutes to go as we wrap up today's trade. There has been a bit of a pickup in the markets. We were down 20 odd points. Now we're flat. Jai Bala of cashthechaos.com is now joining us on the show. Jai, last 2 days things have been very, very sideways for our markets. What have you made of the action and any trends that you can spot towards the end of this calendar year?
Hi, Emma. Good to be here. See, the market is doing something more important. Monday it broke the Friday's low. Today it broke Monday's low. So the market is signaling weakness, although the market is flatlining today. As I pointed out last week, I said the bears would be better off if they conceded some ground and let the market climb to somewhere close to 23,800 or even 25,100. The market has come to 24,857 and is starting to look weak. One more high would be okay, but even close to 25,100, that would make the market structure look like it's turning positive, but it's not. It's just a counter-trend rally. But what would convince me that the downturn has resumed is a break of 24,295. Until 24,295 is taken out on an intraday basis, I would assume the market is still correcting upwards. Wait for the confirmation to come through below 24,295.
Okay, all right. Hi, Jay. Good afternoon. Sounding cautious as we've heard in the last few weeks on the markets. So we take that point on the index. But today, you're going to give us two calls. And I believe one of them is a long call. So go for that first and then give us your short call. I think it's a Grasim.
Yeah, the September high for PI Industries, that's looking like an incomplete move for the stock. And the decline from the September high to the December low is an overlapping move. So that's possibly a corrective structure. But because the overall opinion of mine is, slightly cautious, I want to be sure that this stock is turning. So I'll wait for the stock to cross above 41.78, and then that will trigger a long for me. A very strict stop loss at 40.30 is important, and anticipating the stock to climb to fresh 52-week highs past 5,000 mark. And the short call I have is from the Adani Group. Grasim is looking like a corrective decline is still due. The recent high of about 27.34 is unlikely to be not taken out. So stop loss are above that level of 27.34 with a price objective of 2,400. Even Adani Ports is looking like the recent low it clocked in November. That looked like an incomplete move. So probably some moves are happening in the Adani Group. So if today's low gets taken out tomorrow, probably that will be a convincing move that Grasim is moving towards 2,400.
IT is up 5% since the beginning of December, and that's the only index, according to you, that hasn't broken important supports.
That's right, Rima. See, the markets are, for the IT index, it's moving from the November low in an overlapping fashion, but that's a five-step move. A five-step move is usually a trending move for technicians like us, but it's an overlapping move. But that's signaling that although the IT index is clocking fresh 52-week highs or fresh all-time highs, this is probably an ending move for the index. But as long as the index stays about 39,900, the sector remains bullish. So maintain bullishness, but with tight stop loss. The frontline Infosys and TCS, they are weaker than the broader names like Coforge or Persistent.
Okay, all right. I think, Jay, stay with us. We're going to just wrap out things here on the program.